Create stunning full-shot animated themes with consistent characters using ChatGPT and AI animation tools. Creating animated videos sounds complex, but with the right AI tools, it's easier than you think. By combining ChatGPT's new image model, text-to-image generators, and animation platforms, you can make full-shot animated stories with characters that stay consistent. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, helping you craft professional quality animations quickly and affordably. Understanding the power of AI in animation. What can ChatGPT's new image model do? ChatGPT now has a new image model that generates detailed visuals from text prompts. This means you can describe a character or scene and get a clear, detailed picture. It's a huge boost for storytellers because it speeds up visual creation and helps build scenes rapidly. These AI models are advancing fast, making it easier than ever to produce animated stories without needing expensive equipment or skills. What do you need to make an animated short? To create an animated story, you need several building blocks. A script or story that guides the flow. Detailed character designs. A shot list describing each scene and shot. Prompts for text-to-image AI to generate visuals. Prompts for video animation tools. Audio narration or voice acting and lip sync. Final editing for smooth flow and sound effects. Step-by-step guide to making your animated story. Setting up your project. Pick your tools: ChatGPT, Clean AI, Runway ML, and optional video editors like CapCut. Write your story or script first. Decide how many characters there are, how scenes look, and their key moments. Keeping organized helps make the next steps smooth. Developing characters and scenes with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to create your characters and scenes. Prompt ChatGPT with what kind of story you want, and it will help design characters and scenes for you. For example, ask it to describe your characters in detail and specify the style, like 3D or cartoon. It even generates scene breakdowns with shot descriptions and prompts for visuals. Remember, ChatGPT currently uses an older image model for visuals, which might make images less sharp. To fix this, you can upload reference images later to ensure characters look consistent across scenes. Making visuals with text-to-image AI. Once your prompts are ready, use tools like DALL-E or other text-to-image generators to produce character and scene images. Keep prompts simple but specific. For a character, describe their clothes, hair, and pose. For a scene, include background details and lighting. Keep images consistent by re-uploading reference images whenever your character's appearance in later scenes starts to drift. Use a consistent aspect ratio, like 16:9, for smooth visuals. Animating your visuals. Upload your images to animation tools like Clean AI or Runway ML. These platforms can turn static images into animated clips. Adjust prompts to add simple movements, like zooming or a slight pan, to bring scenes to life. In my tests, Clean AI's newer version, 2.0, produces much smoother animations than previous versions. Start with the older version for basic scenes and upgrade when needed. Adding voice and lip sync. Generate voices with tools like 11 Labs by pasting your script or dialogue. These services make natural-sounding speech that fits your characters. Sync lips automatically inside animation platforms or with special tools, such as Act 1, which offers more natural lip sync. Upload your voice files, and the AI makes your character's mouth move in time. Final assembly and sound design. Bring all your clips together in a video editor like CapCut or Premiere Pro. Arrange scenes in order, trim unwanted parts, and connect everything smoothly. Adding background music and sound effects makes your story more lively. Carefully sync everything to match the dialogue, actions, and mood. With some practice, your videos will feel polished and professional. Tips for better results. Keep the same reference images to maintain character consistency. Break long scripts into smaller scenes to keep coherence. Tweak prompts if character or scene details slip during animation. Combine different AI tools for unique effects or smoother lip sync. Examples of success. Many creators now use these methods to produce animated shorts. Some have built entire series with AI-generated characters and scenes, saving thousands of dollars and weeks of work. The key is to experiment, learn what works, and keep refining your prompts. In conclusion, creating full-shot animated stories is no longer only for professionals. With ChatGPT's new image model, combined with AI animation tools, you can produce cohesive, high-quality animations fast. Whether you're making content for fun or for an audience, these tools empower your creativity. Start experimenting today. Describe your story, generate images, animate scenes, and add voice. The future of storytelling is here, ready for you to explore.